Hello my friends, how are you today? So this Miniart Panzer IV is coming along very well. So you can see I've got the turret nearly built. And we've got the full thing going on here. You've got the doors done. Well, they're not done, they're just on. I've put on a metal gun barrel, which has come out very nice. Ordered that from China a while ago, ages ago. So I finally put it on one of my Miniart kits and it's come up very nice. There is a bit of an issue here with fit. So you can see along here where this Scherzen thingy goes on. These two here do not line up. So they've gone on a bit of an angle. But that's the only really fit issue I had at all. This side didn't line up that well, but you can push it into place. And that's about it. But there's just so much awesome detail on this. It's really, really good. Now I filled up the gaps here with a bit of the AK just acrylic filler, so the water-based stuff. Just, I made it I extended the size of the gaps around the doors there, and I filled that up so that you've got a really good base for the oils to sit on, so it doesn't just soak in. Coming on really well. And I've got the shirts and starting to come along. So I'll put a little bit of pre-dirt on the bottom there. We can paint up a bit later. But they look really good on too. It's going to be really nice and streamlined. I'm going to have all the shirts on. But unbelievably good quality kit. Really enjoyed the whole thing. I'm nearly coming to the end and it's just been an amazing build. You know, right down to these little details here, where you've got those little bolts holding the spare tracks on. And that cannon's mean. I really like that turned muzzle brake. It's one of my favourite types of muzzle brakes. But yeah, really cool, eh? Miniart, you've done super well. So what I've got to do now is chuck on the shirts on, and then we can put on the top armour on the top, and then it's pretty much ready for painting. Alright my friends, I'll speak to you again very soon.